Hey gearheads and classic car lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are getting our hands dirty and our creative juices flowing with a fantastic upcycling project, a plug built entirely from old vehicle spare parts. This is a perfect way to give those rusty treasures in your garage a new lease on life. And it is surprisingly achievable. So, whether you are a gearhead, a DIY enthusiast, or just looking for a unique conversation piece for your home, this is the video for you. Before we dive in, let's talk about the parts we'll need. Here's a treasure hunt list to get you started. Number 1. A gear set. This is the heart of our clock. Look for a set of different sized gears from a dismantled bicycle, motorbike, or even a broken clock itself. Number 2. Base plate. A sturdy piece of wood, metal, or even a recycled vinyl record will work. Number 3. Hour and minute hands. Get creative. Think about using an old wrench, screwdriver, or even a pair of pliers. Just make sure they have enough weight to be balanced by the clock mechanism. Number 4. Numbers. Buttons, nuts, bolts, or even Scrabble tiles can be used to represent the clock. Number 5. Clock movement. You can purchase a battery-operated clock movement kit from any craft store. This will provide the power and ticking mechanism for our clock. Number 6. Hardware. Basic tools like screwdrivers, nuts, and bolts, maybe a drill, will come in handy for assembly. Now, let's get building. Prep your base plate. Sand down and clean your chosen base plate. Mount the center point where the clock movement will be attached. Gear placement. Here's the fun part. Experiment with the layout of your gears. You can try a cascading design or a more symmetrical layout. Once you're happy, secure them to the base plate using nuts and bolts or strong adhesive. Attach the movement. Following the instructions on your clock movement kit, install it on the center point of the base plate. This will likely involve drilling a small hole for the shaft. Off to your hands. Drill small holes at the ends of your chosen objects for the hour and minute hands. You might need to add small washers or bend the ends slightly for better balance on the movement shaft. Attach them securely. Number 5. Get creative. Use glue or small nails to attach your chosen numbers onto the base plate at their corresponding positions. Finally, it is time to power up your clock and admire your creation. Watch as those gears turn, driven by the old clock movement, giving your upcycled masterpiece a life of its own. So there you have it, a one-of-a-kind clock built entirely from salvage parts. This project proves that with a little creativity and some spare parts, you can create something truly amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more upcycling adventures. And if you build your own clock, share it with us in the comments below.